Hey guys, it's Adam with Malone Post, and I'm here to talk to you about my Umite Chef 15-piece silicone cooking utensil set that I got from Amazon. So we're gonna open it up and check it out. If you were interested in picking this up, there will be a link in the description below so that you can pick one up for yourself. So if you are like me and you grew up and you're probably not a millennial, you know about wooden cooking spoons and stuff. So my mom had these, my grandma had these, I got spanked with these. These are your cheapest option. $5 will get you a set at any run-of-the-mill store. Some good things about them is they don't scratch. They're impervious to heat, so it's not gonna heat up, burn your hand. Some bad things about it is that you're gonna require maintenance. It is porous, it's gonna absorb things, it's gonna hold bacteria, so you're gonna wanna clean it out. Their second version is your plastic. So your plastic is gonna be pretty cheap. It is similar to wood in the fact that it's porous. It's gonna absorb sauces. You can see I made a curry and there's still some stuck in here after we washed it. Also, it melts. That's not good. If this melts in your food, you're eating plastic. Who wants to eat plastic? Not me. Your third option is stainless steel. Stainless steel is very clean, easy to clean, doesn't hold bacteria, and it also it's up there in price, so you're gonna pay a little bit more for the stainless steel. It will burn your hands, obviously, if it gets hot. So there are some downsides to that too. Also, they say the stainless steel will flake off eventually, and then you do eat it over time, which is terrible. Who wants to eat metal? I don't. That's why I got this silicone set, so we're gonna open it up and check it out. 15 pieces. So the good thing about silicone, and you might know, is that really fancy restaurants will use it. So it is non-porous. It will not pick up any sauces or anything like that. The other good thing about it is that it is heat resistant to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's not gonna melt. You don't have to worry about it melting off into your food or anything like that. It doesn't scratch. Because it is a higher grade, they call it like a food safe plastic. It will be a little bit more than your average price as like your wood or your plastic or anything like that. But it is easy to clean. So you don't have to soak these, that kind of stuff like that. And you can see you want to get one with the handle that's attached so that there's no food getting in there or stuck in the handle. The handling to the actual mechanism is really important. You want to make sure that there is no gaps or spaces so that water or food or anything can get in there, because that's bacteria and that could ultimately make you sick. Let's check out this set. We got a couple of spatulas. We got a couple spatulas here. We got a really big spatula, which is good. That's awesome. Like when you're doing pancakes and stuff, that's sweet. Because you're trying to do a big pancake with this, you're ripping it in half, that's for sure. So this is a good option. I like that you get a little bit bigger of a spatula there. Your classic kind of soup spoon. You're making a broth, a soup, anything like that. You can leave this on the stove. It's not gonna burn. You can leave it right on the pot. It's not gonna burn. That's a really good thing. All right, you got your classic spatula. That's awesome. You can see it's one piece, no handle. You don't have to worry about anything getting in anything. You know, the one downside about silicone is that over time, it does get a little bit flexible. It does get a little bit soft. So as you heat it up, as you wash it, it is gonna get a little bit soft. And sometimes, you know, if you're trying to pick up a pancake and this is a little floppy, over time, like we're talking a long time. We have a little strainer. If you're doing any kind of like pasta, you could pull the pasta out. That's awesome. I've never even seen one of these before, so that's great. We got your classic pair of tongs. That's great. I mean, everyone needs tongs. I have like 300 sets. I use them all the time, so this is great. Pasta spoon, that's your classic pull your spaghetti out. If you don't have a strainer, I don't know who doesn't have a strainer, but you got another like little ladle, soup spoon with some, if you're trying to get something out of the liquid, you could pull that out. That's great.
Meatball spoon.
Meatball spoon, yeah, something like that. You're trying to get the meatballs out of the sauce. You got your classic whisk. That's great. I've never seen one of these with the silicone on the actual whisk, so that would be awesome. I'm gonna be excited to use that one. All right, we got a brush. So you wanna put some butter on something, you wanna sauce something up, put some pesto on some salmon. Barbecue sauce. You got another little mini spatula to get in, you know, you're making pudding, you wanna get the pudding out of the corners. That's what you gotta do. Oh, I don't know what this is. Looks like I don't know, maybe like a dessert knife, maybe?
Cake icing.
Oh yeah, all right. Yeah, cake icing, I guess. You could do like around, smooth it out. I've never used that. My cakes don't look like that, so.
That's my guess. I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never seen that one before. And then again, another nice deep ladle spoon for soups, stocks, and that kind of stuff. So, you know, I'd say this is a really good set. It's in really good quality. Nothing seems to be loose or ill-fitted, no gaps. The container's a little cheap, but other than that, I mean, for 15 pieces, if you were gonna go to a store and buy these individually, you're probably looking at, I'm gonna say close to $100, honestly. I mean, silicone is up there when it comes to price, but you're getting quality with that price. So I think to get 15 pieces for the price that I did, really good deal. All right, guys, that about sums up my review. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, go down and like the video, subscribe to our channel. We have multiple review videos coming out a week. I'm Adam, and this is Malone Post.